Yes sir, day 4. So why am I doing this? Aside from gusto kong maging healthy, I want to hold myself accountable sa sinabi ko that I would run each day for 15 days for 20 minutes. Kasi kung hindi, mapapahiya ako sa mga makakapanood nito. And also siguro to motivate or inspire people to walk, jog, to move and have healthy lives. Kahit isa lang ma-inspire ko, masaya na ako dun. Yes sir. See you sa day 5.